Hey guys, welcome to tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a Pictory AI online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to sign up or create an account on the Pictory AI, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address pictory.ai like this, and enter, and on the next step you'll be directed over here on the home page of Pictory. And let's scroll down a little bit, and you can see guys, there is the get started for free button available as well as the free trial. Both will take the same process of the creation of your account. And with that being said guys, let's click on start for free. And after you land over here guys, you can directly see the continue with Google button available. If you click on the continue with Google button available over here, a sign in or a login page to your Google account will open. And if you log into your respective Google account, you will be signed up and signed into your Pictory AI, meaning that when the moment you log into your Google account from the platform or the login box open from over here, you will be signed into your Pictory AI with your Google account, and the registration process will finish by or from the moment you log in. And with that being said guys, if you want to log into some other accounts or use some other accounts to sign up for Pictory, let's go through it. And let's enter your username like this, and after that enter your password guys like this. And over here guys, this is the section where you enter your password or register your password guys. And do make sure to put some capital letters, some number, and some extra sign, just to make sure your password is strong enough. And with that being said guys, after entering your credentials, simply click on continue, and on the next step your account will be created and a verification link will be sent on your email. Go to your email address after clicking on continue and verify that link, and then your Pictory free version of the Pictory account will be free to use. And with that being said guys, this is how you sign up for a Pictory account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.